I am making one of my favorite dishes. It's like a comfort food for me. It is from Chaat Chutney and it is the egg curry. There are lots of ways of making it, but this one is made using coconut milk, which makes it really delicious. Start with a hot pan and 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, and we'll add some whole spices. So there's a cinnamon stick going in, 1 bay leaf, and 4 green cardamom pods. Let it sizzle for a few seconds. Here I've got 4 onions, which I have kind of very finely chopped in a grinder. You can grate it if you like. I'm going to throw these in. Now this is where you need to be patient, because we need to cook this on medium heat till we get a really nice deep golden brown color, and that could take a few minutes. And while they're getting done, I'm going to boil the eggs. So I've got 8 eggs here. This is a good portion for 4 people, so 2 eggs per person. You can add more if you like. And I'm just pouring boiling water on top. And I'm going to boil this for roughly 12 minutes, so we'll get a fully boiled egg. It's looking perfect, just the right golden brown I'm looking for. And to this I'm going to add 4 garlic cloves, which I have very finely chopped, and 1 inch of finely chopped ginger as well. And we will cook this for a couple of minutes. We are adding 1 tin of chopped tomatoes, that's 400 grams of chopped tomatoes to this. It's just like a really sweet caramelly flavor smell. And we'll cover and cook on medium to low heat for around 12-15 minutes. We really want the tomatoes to cook a little bit. 15 minutes in, and it's time to check the tomatoes. Oh yeah. So it's time to add the spices. 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And all of this will go straight into the tomatoes. We'll keep the heat medium high because we just want to cook the spices for a minute. Just quick mix, and then we're going to add 400 ml of coconut milk. Go straight in and mix it well. It's the coconut milk that gives it a really nice creamy body to the curry. And if you don't add the eggs to it, you can just add some potatoes and make it completely vegan as well. Gonna cover it and cook for not long, just 5 to 7 minutes, and I'm going to peel the eggs till then. Quickest way to do it is if you just roll the egg and break the shell, and then it just literally peels off quite quickly. That's it. Time to check this. It's so good. This is ready, and I'm now going to plate it up. Now you can fry these, shallow fry these, and then put them in there. That's what the recipe says in the book, but I'm not going to fry them today. I'm just going to halve them and just place them in a nice bowl. Now when you're about to pour this on the egg, it's a good time to get rid of any whole spices if you want to. If you don't want to and you want to keep it in it, that's fine. Now if you want, you can put the sauce first, the curry first, and then the eggs on top. But the reason I put the eggs at the bottom is because when you pour this curry on top, the yolk soaks up all the delicious flavors. Best to leave it for 10 minutes before you eat it, because then it will have all the lovely taste. This is really good the next day as well. So if you have any leftovers, yeah, enjoy. Seriously, I'm telling you, you have to try this. It's sour because of the tomatoes, it's got the creaminess because of the coconut milk. Eat it with chapatis, naan, rice, the onion and peas pulao, which is on the channel, link is here, goes beautifully with this egg curry. I would highly recommend it. The flavors are phenomenal in this. Give us a thumbs up if you like the recipe, subscribe, share it with your friends, and I will see you with a brand new recipe next week.